Hey everyone, today I want to share some personal insights that I've picked up after 8 years of dating. Now, these aren't hard and fast rules for everyone, but they're things that I've noticed that can really make a difference in understanding women and building stronger relationships. So, let's get into it. Signs before a breakup. Before a breakup, women often start to criticize or nitpick more than usual. It's usually a sign that something deeper is wrong. Pay attention to this. It might mean she's unhappy or feeling disconnected. Expectations can be one-sided. Women have expectations, but sometimes when men express their own needs, it can catch her off guard. This doesn't mean you shouldn't have expectations. It just means communication is key here. Being irreplaceable keeps her close. If a woman feels like you're someone she can't easily replace, she's more likely to stick around. This isn't about manipulation. It's about showing her why you're unique and special. She should meet your needs too. Don't be afraid to expect her to meet your needs as well. Relationships should be a two-way street, so don't feel guilty about wanting that balance. Absence can create desire. Sometimes, being around all the time can make things a bit routine. Giving each other space can reignite attraction and make her appreciate you more when you're together. Women crave attention. Women love attention, especially when they're showing you love. Give her that attention when she's treating you well, but if she's being distant, don't be afraid to back off a little. Being fun and interesting is attractive. You don't need to be a movie star or a millionaire to attract women. Just be interesting, fun, and engaging. Women love a guy who knows how to keep things exciting. Stay calm in tough situations. One of the most attractive traits in a man is his ability to stay calm and composed during stressful moments. Women feel safe with a guy who doesn't freak out when things get tough. Leadership is attractive. Women are naturally drawn to leadership and confidence. When you take charge, whether it's planning a date or making decisions, it shows strength. But remember, balance it with love and respect. Women can't read minds. Men often think women will just know what they want. Trust me, they can't read your mind. If you want something, say it. Clear communication can save you a lot of frustration. Strength over weakness. Women are turned off by consistent emotional weakness. Now, this doesn't mean you can't show emotion, but women want to know that you're someone who can handle life's challenges without falling apart. She might test you emotionally. Sometimes women test your emotional strength by encouraging you to open up. It's important to balance vulnerability with emotional control. Women love a man who can be open, but also handle his emotions. Masculinity is key. Staying true to your masculine energy is attractive. Women are turned off by men who constantly seek validation. Be confident in who you are, and she'll respect that. Confidence is everything. If there's one thing that women are universally attracted to, it's confidence. When you believe in yourself, it shows. And women will pick up on that energy. Believe it or not, your scent can play a huge role in attraction. If a woman likes the way you smell, her chances of being drawn to you go up significantly. So, choosing the right cologne or simply smelling good can make a huge difference. So, there you have it. 15 lessons I've learned after years of dating. Remember, every woman is different, but these tips can help you understand what generally works. Let me know in the comments if any of these resonate with your own experiences. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship insights.